We're in downtown Toronto checking out the new Nintendo 3DS for the first time ever. Let's see what the people have to say.
It's amazing.
It was a really good experience.
It's actually really great.
Well, it was really interesting with the new C-Stick, how you could move around your vision really easily.
What I do like about the C-Stick is that now you can kind of play Majora's Mask with like a pan view and see all the sights that are hard to see.
The 3D feature is just that much better. You know, you still get a 3D effect no matter where you move it.
The new face tracking is going to make 3D a lot easier to play with.
I can't wait to collect all the masks and just go into that final battle and see what it's like.
I'm excited for the final battle, definitely.
Yeah. I think
I want to see that moon coming down.
Yes.